Hi, it's Jose Diaz Hayward's favorite realtor with his latest listing located here at 359 Westchester Street in highly sought after Fairway Park and in the Union City School District. Is this the home you've been waiting for? This well-maintained home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's just waiting on its next owner. Is that you? So make sure you add this home to the list of homes for you to view so you can enjoy this spacious backyard with family and friends. Feel free to contact me, Jose Diaz, your favorite realtor at 510-912-4519.